welcome to our channel. Baba and family feel I'm live. So on the way here, guys, actually I'm here at the parking lot. I'm waiting for my daughter to get done of her choir practice. Andun si Baba sa likod. Say hi. Say hi.
No.
Ayaw niya mag-video, guys.
No.
Ayaw
No
siya.
hi.
No, I don't. So anyway, guys, when we
No
were
hi
on...
for anyone.
Okay. While we were on the way here driving, the sunset was just so beautiful. I couldn't resist. I videotaped it. It wasn't great, but I think it's still beautiful. So I hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it.
Mommy.
And also, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we...
So that what I made.
Oh yeah, guys, he said show you this. He made that.
Flip it on the back.
If you can read it, just tell me what you can read, guys. If you see this one, it says free shipping on orders over. Well, anyway, guys, yeah. We're waiting. We get like
if you like this video.
Yeah, subscribe if you like this video. Anyway, we got like 16 minutes still for
Subscribe down if you don't like this video.
So I'm sorry. So yeah, guys.
Yo.
Okay, so
Let me show you something. Guys, can you hold this for them? So you can show.
so Baba wants to show this one.
Can you give me my paper back,
Okay, here. Say please.
please?
Okay. So anyway, we got now it's 15 minutes before Kaylin get done on her choir practice, guys. And after that, we will go home and make supper, and we were gonna
And
be
we're gonna make pancake meat.
yes, we're going to have breakfast for supper.
Pancake meat.
Yes, so we're having pancake,
Meat.
bacon,
No meat.
over easy.
I said want bacon.
Okay, and hash brown.
Ew.
He likes hash brown. He's just saying
No,
that.
I don't want it.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Was-
I tried it before and I didn't like it.